Food science, how your food works. Hello amazing people. Welcome back to A.O.R.E Daily Life and channel, where we explore the science behind agriculture, food, environment, and everything that keeps the world running. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of food science, the science that explains how food is produced, processed, preserved, and made safe for us to eat. Get ready because today's episode is full of fun facts, smart visuals, and secrets about your food that will surprise you. What is food science? Food science is the study of the physical, biological, and chemical makeup of food, and how we transform raw ingredients into the delicious meals we enjoy. It covers 1. Food chemistry, 2. Food microbiology, 3. Food processing, 4. Food preservation, 5. Food quality control, 6. Nutrition science. Everything you eat has a science behind it. Fun fact. Did you know eggs float when they are old? Fresh eggs sink. Food chemistry. Food chemistry explains why food changes when we cook it. Examples. 1. Caramelization. Why sugar turns golden. 2. The Maillard reaction. Why bread and meat turn brown and smell good. 3. Protein coagulation. Why milk curdles or eggs solidify. Without chemistry, cooking would be random. Fun fact. Chocolate contains over 600 flavor compounds, more than red wine. Food microbiology. This part of food science studies microorganisms in our food, both good and bad. Good microbes. 1. Yogurt cultures. 2. Yeast for bread and alcohol. 3. Probiotics. Bad microbes. 1. Salmonella. 2. E. coli. 3. Listeria. Food scientists work every day to ensure your food is safe to eat. Fun fact. 1 teaspoon of soil contains more microorganisms than the number of people on Earth. Food preservation. To prevent spoilage, food must be preserved using 1. Freezing, 2. Drying, 3. Canning, 4. Pasteurization, 5. Salting, 6. Smoking, 7. Vacuum sealing. These methods keep food fresh and safe far longer. Fun fact. Freezing food at 18 degrees Celsius can preserve its quality for months without losing nutrients. Food processing. Food processing is transforming raw food into products we can store and use. Examples. 1. Corn to cornflakes. 2. Tomatoes to tomato paste. 3. Groundnut to groundnut oil. 4. Wheat to bread. 5. Milk to yogurt, cheese and butter. Food processing helps reduce waste and improve shelf life. Fun fact. Tomato paste is actually more nutritious than fresh tomatoes because the heat increases lycopene availability. Nutrition science. This branch focuses on how food nourishes the body. We study 1. Carbohydrates, 2. Proteins, 3. Fats. For vitamins, 5. Minerals, 6. Water, 7. Fiber. You are what you eat, literally. Fun fact. Carrots do not actually improve your night vision. That was World War II propaganda. But they are very good for your eyes. Food quality and safety. Before any food reaches your market or kitchen, food scientists test for 1. Color, 2. Texture, 3. Flavor, 4. Moisture, 5. Shelf life, 6. Contaminants, 7. Toxic substances. It's a strict process that keeps us safe. Fun fact. Expiration dates are estimates. Food often lasts longer when stored correctly. Careers in food science. You can build a career as a 1. Food scientist, 2. Quality control officer, 3. Nutritionist, 4. Food safety inspector, 5. Product developer, 6. Food technologist, 7 research scientists, 8 packaging technologists, and so on. The field is booming worldwide. If you've ever been curious about how your food works, food science is the key. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's grow this family and push towards monetization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next educational episode. Fun fact outro montage. Milk is 87% water. Bananas are naturally radioactive. Grapes explode in the microwave. Fast food buns contain the same chemical found in yoga mats.